Hello again, my friend. Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and in this next video I'm going to show you how to place strategic buy and sell orders on the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. You may wonder exactly what I mean when I say strategic buy and sell orders. In the last video I showed you how to buy or sell at the current market prices. Sometimes there are special situations that require this, but usually the best way to enter a trade is to use your own technical analysis to determine a low point that the currency may drop to before rising again, and place your bid somewhere within that predetermined price range in anticipation of the price movement. And of course, you can apply the same approach to selling afterwards. Using technical analysis, you can determine a price range where the currency may rise to and place your sell order within that area in advance of it actually reaching that price. This is how you can be more strategic about your trading, which will result in higher profits. Of course, it takes more time and patience, but if you stick with a sound game plan and implement, it will be worth it when you pull in the profits. I'm currently on the exchange page for Ethereum Classic, also known as ETC, on the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. From here, we'll just scroll down a little bit on the page to the Buy ETC order form. Notice that I have 0.1 BTC balance that we can use to place a buy order. When you are ready to place your buy order, you will have already done your technical analysis to determine generally where you want to place your bid order. So next, you will just want to review that price range in the order books on the left here and then place your order accordingly. So we can click the button with the green line at the top of the order books here. It's this little button in the middle. And this will expand the buy side of the order book, so we can scroll through and check it out to find the Satoshi price we would like to place our bid. You can easily scroll through the bids that are lined up using your mouse wheel. The highest bids currently will be at the top. Just for this example, I will place my bid at 0.001661 Satoshis, right in front of the major support level in the order book that we will pretend was the ideal price range that I determined through analysis. All we have to do is left click the Satoshi price here, and it will populate the price in the Buy ETC order form automatically for you. Then, since I am intending to use the full amount of BTC on this buy order, I can just click the 100% button here, and it will apply 100% of my BTC balance. Then we can simply click Buy ETC in order to place the order in the order book. You can also scroll down to see all of the buy and sell orders that you currently have open on Binance, right here in the open orders area, which will now include the order that we just placed, which you can see in the top row right here, an ETC buy order for 0.101936 Bitcoins. All you have to do is click the cancel button right here on the right to remove your bid from the order book, which is something you can do anytime prior to your buy order being filled by price movement. So I'll just go ahead and click this cancel button. Selling crypto on your Binance account is just as easy and uses the same principles in the other direction. We anticipate the price range that the currency will rise to after we have made our entry and place our sell orders accordingly within that target price range in order to close your trade and take profit. Just like we did for buying, we can just use the order book here on the left to figure out where to place the sell order. You can click the button with the red line at the top, which is at the top of the order books here, in order to give us a scrollable access to the sell side of the order book. And from here, I will just arbitrarily choose to set my sell order generally near this resistance level of 3,929 Ethereum Classic that are for sale at the price of 0.001692 Satoshis, by left clicking a Satoshi price that is generally higher than it at 0.001696 Satoshis, and that will populate the sell ETC order form in the middle of the page here. Then I will enter the amount of ETC that I would like to put up for sale at that Satoshi price. In this example, I will place a sell order of 10 Ethereum Classic at the price of 0.001696 Satoshis. Then we can simply click the red Sell ETC button in order to place the sell order in the order book. Now notice that when you place your order over here in the order book, a little arrow will show up next to the Satoshi price that you have an order currently placed. And this happens when you place buy orders as well, on the buy side of the order book. And of course, if you scroll down to the open orders area, your new order will now be in the top row of your currently open orders on Binance. I will just cancel my order real quick, since I have no actual intention of selling Ethereum Classic at this price right now. So in a nutshell, that is how you place strategic buy and sell orders in advance of price movements on the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. It's really pretty easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video training showing you how to place strategic buy and sell orders on your Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange account. Placing buy and sell orders is the easy part of it all. The challenging part for most people is doing good technical analysis to figure out the most profitable or safest times to buy and sell for profit. Whether you are completely new to cryptocurrency and trading, or you have some experience with trading, it would be seriously important for you to take the time to educate yourself about technical analysis of markets and various winning trading strategies so that you can give yourself a fair shake at having success with the cryptocurrency markets. Knowledge is truly power when it comes to having success with the crypto markets. Not only will it be important to understand these markets on a technical level, but also a fundamental level so you understand what are the best assets to trade in the first place. So if you want to get started on the right foot with creating wealth with cryptocurrency and not waste any time maximizing your results, you should take a serious look at my cryptocurrency trading, investing, and mining mastery course, and my 24/7 running mastermind chat group on Slack. You can get more info about all of this at my website, www.bitcoinlifestyles.club, and if you would like more information, you can find the link in the video description below. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. If you found this video training to be helpful, I would really appreciate your support. All you have to do is click the like button and leave a comment below with your feedback or any questions you have. You can also share this video or even just this whole Binance training playlist on YouTube with your friends on social media who might also be interested in learning how to use the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. If you're still really new to cryptocurrency, be sure to check out my free crypto mini course and gain a foundational understanding of Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency, and how it's changing the world and how you can benefit and profit from it. Just submit your best email to www.freecryptominicourse.com to get it for free right away with no strings attached. I will also put a link to this in the video description below. Caleb Wright here from Bitcoin Lifestyles Club, and I'll catch you on the next training video for the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange, where I'm going to teach you how to use stop limit orders to set up a stop loss on your trade or set up a limit buy order in anticipation of a price breakout. Until then, may you have ever-increasing success as you keep learning and earning, and I will catch you on the next Bitcoin Lifestyles Club training video.